Hi guys, and welcome to another Elementor video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to show you how to blend an image into the background. So we've got an image here and we're going to turn it from this into something like this that sort of blends into the background. It's pretty easy to do. There's no coding involved today, and this will work with both the free version and the pro version. So let's get started. I've got this page open in Elementor here, and here's the image. Let's just start from scratch. I guess I'll delete that image, and we've just got a little section here. Put your image in there, choose the image that you want to blend. I guess we'll use that same image again. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into the actual column itself and put the exact same image in the column. Okay, let's go into the column. A little dark icon right there. First thing, I want to take away any padding that's top and bottom on this column. So I'm going to go over to the advanced. I'm going to go to padding and simply put a 0 in there. If you've got that little chain checked, it'll do all 4 of them at once for you. Great. Now what I want to do is put exactly the same image in the background of our column here. So we'll go to Style, Background Type, hit the little paintbrush. It'll give you an option to add an image. I'm going to put exactly the same image in the background. And the reason I'm doing this is we're going to make our actual image widget disappear, so we're looking at the column background here. Okay, so let's set this to cover. So we should have our image widget on top and exactly the same image underneath, same size. So let's go back into our widget. I'm going to make this one totally transparent. Here's our opacity down here. I'm on the style module. I'm going to simply put a 0 in there. You won't see any change because now we're looking at the image that's in the column. And the reason I'm doing it is because we can use the inner shadow of the column to create our effect. So let's go back into the column now and create the effect that we want. So again, in the column, in the style, I'm going to go down to border at the bottom here. And in there you're going to see box shadow. This is what we're going to use to do this today. I'm going to hit the little pencil icon. I'm going to make the box shadow the same color as the background that we've got going on here, which is white. Top left corner there. I want it fully visible, no transparency whatsoever. Okay, and I want the position to be inset, inside. Now we can start playing with our blur and our spread. You see something slightly happening there when I do this. If I bring it in a little bit, that's a little bit too much there. Play with your sliders, get it how you want. The more blur you've got, the softer the corners. So something like that. You know, it's going to work absolutely fine there, and we've now got that sort of vignette type picture there. Let's update and see what we've got. And there we go. We've successfully feathered the edges of our image there and sort of blended it into our background, and that'll work anyway. If you've got a colored background, you can do exactly the same. Just make sure you match the box shadow color with your page background. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.